Men want to feel better about their own bodies. They want to feel better about how they look and feel to others, and feel better about their sexual performance with their partners. In just about all men, there is a desire, a tormenting type of desire within a man's mind to be larger. Men all over the world seek treatments to be larger. And I've had patients from Miami to Mozambique, Africa. This size issue is simply ingrained in the minds of most men. So why is this? Because they want to feel better about their own bodies, in clothes and out of clothes, and they want to please their spouse or partner and want to get rid of being inadequate in the bedroom. In addition, they want to get rid of the embarrassment of being smaller. And all the men know what I'm saying. Now, another reason why men consider male enhancement is many men have been told by their significant other that they're small or that they are not satisfied. Now, these simple phrases, as soon as they're uttered, destroy a man's confidence and self-esteem. Many have been hurt by this, and some even want to commit suicide. So to summarize the simple answer to the why male enhancement, they want to feel better about their own bodies. They want to feel better about how they look and feel to others. Feel better about what? Their sexual performance with their partners. Men today who seek male enhancement, which includes enlarging the penile shaft, the penile glands, and the scrotal areas, can have the procedure done in a non-surgical, minimally invasive way. Yes, there are many surgical methods of enlarging the penile or scrotal areas, and these have been around for decades. However, these are surgical procedures, and they scare and frighten patients, and they just won't do the procedure. Now, when men find out about this new technique, learning about a non-surgical, minimally invasive procedure, this is what they're looking for. This new permanent filler injection procedure is truly an elegant technique to enlarge the penile and scrotal areas, and with excellent results, and men want that. I consider my needle as my paintbrush. As I inject filler, I make sure the penile and scrotal anatomy and contours are maintained. I bring emphasis and balance as I enlarge the organ. My procedure requires no general anesthesia, using primarily topical cream anesthetics. Can be performed in the office. Has no risk of surgery because there is no surgery. There's no cutting. There's no scalpels. There's no stitches. And you know, most patients can go to work the very same day. And this alone gives you an indication of how mild in nature the treatment is. Regarding procedure results, my recommendation is for the patients to have 2 to 3 penile shaft and glands enlargement procedures to reach a 6.5 to 7-inch penile girth size or thickness. Of course, I have patients approaching almost 10 inches in circumference or thickness. Yes, you heard correctly, but I do not recommend that size. Remember that this permanent filler injection technique results in a permanent girth enlargement. It's not temporary, which is very good and very economical. I also recommend treating the scrotal area. That's where the testicles are. But why? If the area is small, a larger size will balance better with that new larger penile shaft. And in addition, many wives actually like larger scrotums, believe it or not. I have had many reports on this. Also, treating the scrotum will help prevent the scrotal contraction, which causes discomfort and even pain for some men. But what patients like most of all about the scrotal enlargement? Yes, they do like the balance. They like that the wife is pleased. Yes, there is less contraction, but most of all, they like having a larger appearance. Male enhancement has a significant, a very positive impact on a man's confidence, self-esteem, and equally important is the impact on the relationship with their spouse or significant other. It is profound. The men and women or partners say it is like dating all over again. It reunites and reignites their passion for one another. That, to me, is the best of all. This male enhancement technique is something I had to develop because there were no current or past techniques available to enlarge the male area using permanent filler. So I can say confidently that the injection technique that was developed has been perfected and works very well. The procedure has very low risk factors across the board. There's no surgery involved, so there's no scalpels, there's no stitches, there's no general anesthesia needed. So I tell my patients, don't worry, be happy and excited. Men and women listening right now will appreciate exactly what we're talking about, regardless of nationality, race, religion, or creed. So our mission at Loria Medical is to help you achieve your desired goals.